The stem and leaf plot is a method used to organize statistical data. The greatest common place value of the data is used to form the stem. So in the number 17, tens place is the biggest place value, so that's stem. The next greatest is used to form the leaves. So the leaf over here is whatever comes behind it. For example, when you make a stem and leaf plot of the algebra test scores given below, the first thing you're going to do is put all the scores in order. It is important that you do not skip this step. Put them all in order. Starting with the smallest, which appears to be 56. And if a score repeats, then you need to include that also. This might be the time-consuming part of the problem, but it's important to do it right. I'm going to continue down here. So you know 74, no 75, there is a 76, there's a 77, there's a 78, there's no 79, there's no 80, oh, there is 80, no 81, no, there's 282, and we have to list them both. There's no 83, no 84, there's an 85, there's an 86, there is no 87, no 88, no 89, no 90. 91 occurs twice, so count them both. 92 occurs twice. 98 and 99. So that was step one. Now, to actually plot your stem and leaf plot, you have to determine first what all your stems are. Your stems are, again, the first number in the sequence. So you look and see how many different stems do I have. So you have 5 that's used. You have 6 that's used. You see the 16 right there. 7 is a stem. 8 and 9. And for the leaves, you're looking at the second part. So you go back to where your 5s were. There's a 6. And there's a 9. Go to your 6s. There was a 4, a 5, and a 9. Go to your 7s. There was a 0, a 1, a 3, a 6, a 7, and an 8. Going to our 8s, there was 80, so you had a 0. And there were 2 2s. You do list them both. Then 85, 86. Going to the 90s, 91 occurred twice. 92 occurred twice. 98 occurred, and then 99. So now to answer the questions. The question says, what was the lowest score on the algebra test? So you would go to the smallest stem and then see the smallest leaf. The smallest stem is 5, the smallest leaf is 6, the lowest score is 56. Now it says to make a stem and leaf plot of the history scores below. Complete each section. This one looks a little easier. There's a lot less numbers. So first thing is we put the scores in order. The smallest score on here appears to be 65. There's no 66, there's no 67, no 68, there is a 69. No 70, no 71, no 72. There is a 73. No 74, 75, 76, 77. There is a 78. 79, no. 80, yes. 81, no. 82, yes. 83, 84, 85, no. 86, yes. 87, no. 88, yes. 89 and 90 are not there. 91 is there. And our last one is 95. So for our stems, we're going to have 6 is a stem, 7 is a stem, 8 is a stem, 9 is a stem. And for our leaves, again for the 6 we have 5 and 9. For the 7 we have 3, 8. For the 8 we have 0, 2, 6, 8. For the 9s we have 1 and 5. Now that we've made our stem and leaf plot, we can answer questions. What is the lowest score? Again, we go to the lowest stem, smallest leaf. So in this case, the lowest score is 65. Highest score, go to the highest stem, highest leaf, the score is 95. In which interval is the most students score? An interval. Interval means all possible leaves one stem. So we're going to look over here and see which one has the most leaves. And in this case, we see that the most leaves are right there. Because it wants the interval, we have to do all the way. The lowest one you could possibly have there is 80. And the highest, although they don't show it here, is 89. You do not put the 8 because that's the highest one on the plot, but the interval goes from 80 to 89. And that is how you do a stem and leaf plot.